Ever pondered about the organism awarded as the world's most venomous marine creature? It's none other than the box jellyfish. These fascinating creatures, coined as box jellyfish due to the box-like structure of their bell, are a marvel to witness. Well, only if you have the knack to detect them. Their physical form, predominantly transparent with subtle shades of pale blue, creating an exquisite camouflage in their aquatic dwellings. This ability to blend in so perfectly with their surroundings is what sets them apart. They are the ultimate hide-and-seek champions of the marine world. The cube-shaped bell, which can span up to a whopping 12 inches, comprises an intricate network of nerves and muscles. This complex biological structure confers them the remarkable ability to glide smoothly with extraordinary speed in the water, a characteristic not commonly associated with their jellyfish peers. Just think about it. The box jellyfish is not only the most venomous, but also among the most agile creatures swimming in our oceans. This bell, which can measure up to 12 inches across, houses a complex system of nerves and muscles that allow these creatures to move with a grace and speed not typically seen in other jellyfish. But it's not the bell that you need to watch out for. Each corner of the bell acts as the base for tentacles, each reaching up to a staggering 10 feet in length. To really comprehend their danger, understand that they're adorned with thousands of small but fatal stinging cells, scientifically known as nematocysts. These cells aren't merely for show. They provide a twofold function. They aid the jellyfish in ensnaring their prey within their deadly grasp and serve as a defense mechanism against potential threats. You'd naturally assume that with such dangerous weaponry, box jellyfish would reign supreme in the aquatic food chain. But nature is full of surprises. There exist fearless predators that aren't deterred by the jellyfish's venom. Sea turtles, specific fish species, and even certain varieties of seabirds don't hesitate to include box jellyfish in their meal plans. Speaking of predators, it might surprise you that despite their deadly venom, box jellyfish are not at the top of the food chain. Sea turtles, certain species of fish, and even some seabirds count box jellyfish among their favorite meals. Box jellyfish are primarily found in the warm coastal waters around Australia, the Philippines, and other parts of the Indo-Pacific region. This marine creature typically thrives in tropical seas, where it is commonly seen during the warmer months. The increase in temperatures stimulate their breeding, resulting in a population surge. In these warmer periods, the presence of this fascinating species becomes more visible. Their intriguing life cycle is an intricate process of metamorphosis. From their initial stage as seafloor-bound polyps, they undergo remarkable changes. The transformation process is gradual and captivating, as these polyps slowly morph into the free-swimming entities we know. The final stage is the bell-shaped medusae, a form synonymous with jellyfish. They begin life as polyps attached to the seafloor. Over time, these polyps transform into the free-swimming, bell-shaped medusae that are commonly associated with jellyfish. But what is it that makes the box jellyfish so dangerous? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and marine biologists for years. This unique creature, with its elegant and almost ethereal appearance, holds within its tentacles the power to unleash a potent mix of... These toxins are not just any ordinary poison. They have been specifically evolved to target certain systems within the potential prey or threat. Interestingly, the venom of the box jellyfish has a dual focus. It aims its deadly concoction at both the cardiovascular and nervous systems. This dual target approach is what makes its venom so unusually deadly. When a victim is stung by a box jellyfish, the venom immediately starts to affect the cardiovascular system, disrupting the normal rhythm of the heart and causing immense pain. Simultaneously, the venom attacks the nervous system. It can cause paralysis, rendering the victim helpless. This paralysis often increases the panic and terror of the situation, escalating the trauma for the unfortunate victim. But the horror does not end here. In severe cases, when the venom's assault on the cardiovascular and nervous systems becomes too overwhelming, it can result in fatal heart failure or respiratory arrest. It's a grim reality that makes a sting from a box jellyfish potentially one of the deadliest encounters in the animal kingdom. So, how can you avoid a painful encounter with a box jellyfish? The best advice is to wear appropriate protective such as a stinger suit when venturing into areas known to be inhabited by these lethal marine creatures. Always be vigilant of warning signs posted at beaches. The vast and complex network of marine life displays an assortment of creatures, among which the box jellyfish is notably distinguished by its deadly allure. This creature encapsulates a uniquely intriguing blend of beauty and danger, making it a captivating subject for research and study. Its life cycle is intricate and fascinating, displaying a dynamic aspect of nature's marvels. The box jellyfish is equipped with unique attributes that differentiate it from other marine creatures, and its venom is incredibly potent, a factor that demands respect and caution. Despite its mesmerizing beauty, always remember, any close encounter with a box jellyfish should be avoided. If you ever find yourself face to face with a box jellyfish in the wild, the best course of action is to admire it from a safe distance.